plasma, this engine will work on the alternating magnetic and electric field. So this engine constitutes of magnetic coils and electric coils, which will help to radiate or fluctuate the air. So when we give it a spark or a form of breakdown voltage, the air will break down into plasma particles, which can further be used for generation of energy. So basically my engine will be different from this engine. I will be using that in my our day-to-day life. So for example, if I am fitting this engine into a bike, so what for that breakdown voltage I am going to give a ignition. Like in our general bikes we have a kickstart button or a switch to start our vehicle. So that switch will be acting as a spark. That spark will now go to a laser medium. I am using a laser medium to create an electric field which will help to discharge the plasma particle. So I am basically using a helium neon laser. You can have a look at the laser. This is basically the helium neon laser setup and how it works. And you can have this is how you can see the energy transfer is going on. So basically how it works. So helium neon laser, when the bike gets the spark from the user, that spark will be helping the ground state atoms present in the ground state to get excited and go to the short-lived state. After the atoms have the electrons have been excited and they have gone to the short-lived state, they have to come back to the metastable state, and then from metastable they will come to the ground state for stability. And when they come from the metastable to ground state, they will be losing that energy, which is also called as the lasing transition energy. So that energy will be used by me for to provide it to the engine. The engine will be made of a silicon based adiabatically insulated walled chamber, which will be constituting of plasma. So the plasma instead of the air, I am going to use a plasma fluid. The plasma fluid will be consisting of a gadolinium doped with platinum. This is the fuel's name, gadolinium containing fine particles of platinum, which will help it to discharge. So when that lasing energy will be entering through a valve to the engine, that plasma fuel will split up, creating a breakdown voltage or a discharge, and then this plasma fluid will discharge into plasma molecules, and thus when the splitting of plasma molecules takes place, it's kind of a nuclear fission, but the process is same, but the output byproducts are different. So when the plasma splits into plasma molecules, we'll have a lots of amount of energy that will be discharged, and this energy will now be useful for the vehicle or any car, or a bike to run for the whole day. So this idea can be a revolutionary idea if this is made to be work in the day-to-day vehicles. So plasma, as we know, it's a very clean fuel. The efficiency is also high. In generally existing real-time engines, the highest efficiency is 45%. And generally, if you consider plasma engine with all the losses that will be produced, the efficiency will be around 65 to 70, which is much higher than the existing engine. So as you can see, and also you can acknowledge, this plasma engine can be a revolutionary in the motor vehicle industry, and this can also help the idea of future vehicles. We are coming up with electrical vehicles, but still plasma engine, it's like renewable kind of energy. It's not basically a kind of matter. It's like present in the air only. Just we need to split that into particles and we can use that energy. But the only drawback I am facing is that when we are splitting up the plasma particles, the energy produced is too much high. As so much energy is discharged. The problem is we can't control such a lot of amount of energy in that adiabatically walled chamber. So in my second review, I'm going to show you my research on how I have modified the plasma fuel so that I can control the energy and I can use it, channelize it in a controlled medium so that we can use it in vehicles, and it will be also helpful for us For this video will be continuing up till now. For the second video, wait it to be continued to the next video.